Today I'm going to be sharing with you guys 3 simple mods that definitely if you looking to boost up your speed for your Ram 1500, and let's say you want to compete with a Ram TRX, these are definitely top 3 single mods that you could definitely do, that you'll definitely see a huge increase in power. What's up, guys? Happy Friday. What is going on? Today I'm going to be sharing with you guys 3 simple mods that definitely if you looking to boost up your speed for your Ram 1500, and let's say you want to compete with a Ram TRX, these are definitely top 3 single mods that you could definitely do, that you'll definitely see a huge increase in power, and it's definitely going to help your Ram run better times and stuff like that. So before I get into talking about that, I want to say I hope you guys having a great week so far. It's Friday, whatever you're going through, just stay positive and keep grinding. And I want to say I definitely appreciate those who definitely subscribing to my channel. It definitely means a lot, and there's more to come for this channel, man. I have a 2014 Ram 1500. This is a Ram channel, and that I'm planning on doing some good stuff with it, meaning plan on making it a fun daily driver, and also something I could be able to take to the track every now and then and do a little bit of pools with it and stuff like that. But nothing too crazy, but subscribe to the channel, stick along, man. It's gonna be a come up soon, man. But so let's get into talking about the Ram. If I have personally, I'm not no expert or none of that stuff, but these are just common sense things that you could look up yourself, that definitely could be able to help your Ram. But I know there's, when I mean Ram, I'm talking about Dodge Ram. I know it's called Ram or Dodge Ram now. So but I have a 2014 Dodge Ram, and it does have the 8-speed transmission, and it is a 4-door. This is not a single cab. So I'm gonna clarify this. If you really want to compete, or if you really want to compete, or if you one of them guys who just want to strictly be messing around with the TRX and stuff, I'm not saying that it's a guarantee, but this definitely is proven to be up there with the Ram TRX. I know for a fact these trucks is definitely heavy, especially if you have a 4-door like me. But this is something that's definitely going to up your power, and I believe these trucks run, I think, somewhere stock, because right now my truck is stock, bone stock, nothing ever been done to it. I believe it's somewhere around probably, I said like 13, 14, or 15, one of them. But I know for a fact they are pretty, I'm not going to sit here in front, but that's that's not really good timing. That's kind of slow. But if you are trying to get some power up there and be able to compete with a Ram TRX, these are simple things that I would personally do. And I have seen Ram channel on YouTube that they strictly recommend these kind of mods too, because it's definitely proven for you to be able to compete with a Ram TRX. So the first thing I would want to do is obviously get your truck tuned and stuff like that. Get a tune or whatever. Go to talk to a tuner or something like that. That would be like the number one thing that you should do if you are, you know, just strictly trying to get up there with the Ram TRX. This is the fastest way, I say. You know, NA is completely different, but I believe you will need a whole lot more stuff done. But if you are just trying to add a couple things up there and stuff like that, and of course, you do need to think about weight reduction too. So I say get a custom tune, and then the next thing I would do personally is definitely get a Whipple supercharger, or get a Pro charger, whatever, or turbo, whatever, this and that. It all depends on your preference. And just those two things alone, trust me, is gonna make a huge difference. Like, and then last but not least, another thing I would consider is, you know, probably doing like doing some headers and stuff, headers, exhaust. You know, definitely that's another thing that could be able to help your Ram. But just those two things alone, those are the most two powerful things that could definitely get your Ram up there to running better times, and it's definitely possible. So even these trucks, you know, this is a 4-door. Obviously, you know, if it's a single cab 2014 Dodge Ram 1500, it will be running, it will be a lot easier compared to my truck, because I do have, it is way more heavier. But these are things that you could probably just do. It just, if you get all three of those things I just named, you'll definitely be able to be, when I mean, to clarify too, when I mean be able to compete with a Ram TRX, I'm not talking about any kind of Ram TRX that's fully built. I'm just talking about a bone stock Ram TRX, to be exact. If you do that, do these things that I'm telling you, or do your research, whatever you're comfortable with, these things would definitely get you up there with the Ram TRX. And I know for a fact, a bone stock Ram TRX, they fast, but you can definitely do some things to your truck, your, you know, stock Ram, and definitely be up there. And obviously some probably drag setup tires and stuff like that too, that would help. And weight reduction, like I said, if you do have a 4-door Dodge Ram like me, you know, some things to be able to remove, and that definitely gonna help though. You know, there's still a lot of things that I probably ain't mentioned, but I'm just saying strictly from you trying to do it a faster way. And if you want to go, you know, NA and stuff like that, I believe there's a whole lot more stuff. Like you could do an intake manifold, not a cold air intake manifold with 6.4 intake manifold, header, exhaust, tune. Pretty much it's like you got to do like the whole 9 yards, and wheel setup, weight reduction. These things alone that I'm telling you, definitely, you know, I myself don't overlook the fact that, you know, anybody who knows about, you know, you trying to gain some real power, you definitely go on getting a Whipple or whatever supercharger you want to get, getting a tune to your truck. Definitely gonna bring out a way different, nastier side, and you definitely gonna make some good power. Probably definitely gonna burn some tires, man. But these are just few things that I want to share with you guys. If you are looking to, you know, gain that power and be up there making the same power as close to, you know, a Ram TRX, bone stock, not no non-stock Dodge Ram TRX. Of course, you know, that's a different ballgame. But let me know what you guys think. Definitely comment down below, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.